Hi, this is Sarah. Welcome to my YouTube. Today I'm going to share with you top 10 websites to find work globally. If you're trying to find job opportunities around the world, in today's interconnected world, it's easier than ever. Let's talk about these top 10 websites which I'm going to show you today. The first one on my list is LinkedIn with over 740 million users worldwide.
LinkedIn is a professional networking platform that also features a robust job search section. It allows you to create a professional profile, connect with others, and explore job opportunities worldwide.
Next up is Monster. Monster is one of the oldest and most established job search websites.
The Monster website offers job opportunities from various industries and locations around the world. It offers a wide range of job listings and provides tools for resume creation and career advice.
The third one on my list is Career Builder. Career Builder is a gateway to thousands of job opportunities.
Career Builder connects job seekers with employers worldwide. It offers job search functionality, resume posting, and career advice resources.
Number 4 is Glassdoor. Glassdoor is another valuable resource.
Glassdoor is known for providing insights into company culture, salaries, and reviews from current and former employees. It also features a job search platform with a global reach, allowing you to find job openings and research companies worldwide.
The next one is Dice, focused on technology and IT related jobs. Dice is an excellent resource for tech professionals worldwide.
Dice is a global job platform that primarily focuses on technology and engineering related job opportunities. It's a popular platform for professionals in IT, software development, data science, and engineering fields.
Number 6 is Indeed. Indeed is a popular job search engine.
Indeed is one of the largest job search engines. It aggregates job listings from various sources and provides user-friendly interface to search for jobs by location, industry, and keywords.
Number 7 on my list is Simply Hired. Simply Hired is a reliable job search engine.
Simply Hired collects job listings from multiple sources and provides an easy-to-use interface for job seekers to search for jobs based on location, industry, and job title.
Next one is JobStreet. JobStreet is a must-visit for job seekers all around the world.
JobStreet is a well-known job platform primarily focused on the Southeast Asian job market. However, JobStreet does provide job listings for positions in various industries and sectors, including multinational companies that may have global job opportunities.
Number 9 is CareerChurch. CareerChurch operates in more than 90 countries in the world.
CareerChurch is a global job search engine that gathers job listings from various sources, including company websites, job boards, and recruitment agencies.
Last but not least is FlexJobs. FlexJobs specializes in remote and flexible jobs for job seekers.
FlexJobs is a subscription-based job platform that focuses on flexible and remote work opportunities. It screens and handpicks job listings to ensure legitimacy and offers a wide range of remote job categories.
Always remember that job search engines and platforms may vary in popularity and effectiveness depending on region and industry you're targeting. Always be cautious of potential scams and verify the legitimacy of job offers before providing any personal information or making any commitments. Please note that the availability and features of these websites may change over time. Be sure to visit each website for the latest information and job listings. Thank you so much for watching my video. Look after yourself and other people around you. Bye.